Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create an image using AI platform. Here you can go and type Higgfield AI. So using this tool you can generate videos as well as images. Okay, here you can see these are different sample images and videos. Now simply you can go here and create a free account. Click on sign up button and continue with Google. You can also create your account with Apple as well as Microsoft. This one. Then let me select my Google account, allow access. Okay, now account is created. Now on the top here you can see you can create image, studio image, storyboard and different other options. For the video the same thing. Okay, let me go and click here, select the first option, but before that we need to fill out some of these. Then after that click here get started, and now again let me go here and click on create AI images. For example, here let me type top 10 freelancing platforms and click here generate button. And now here you can see it is in queue, so it can take some time. Okay, now let's wait. Now here you can see a professional image is ready. Okay, you can publish it, you can save it into your laptop, you can also upscale, also you can convert it into a video.